Say hello. Close enough.
Alexa, say hi, Skylar.
Hi there.
You don't like it?
She had enough of that.
Skylar, say hi, Auntie. Alexa,
That's
what's
Alexa.
the weather?
That's Alexa.
Currently, in Waldorf, it's 41 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect just a few clouds in the
it's
sky
talking.
with a low of
Almost
28
sparkly
degrees.
looks like that.
Girl, I got these for like $100. Thank you. But every time I look now,
I'm
they
coming.
like 130 or something. Whatever it is, it's way more than what I paid.
Alexa, hello.
Hello. Hope you enjoyed your Wednesday.
I really did. Thank you.
There's a lady in there.
Yeah,
If you crack it open, she gonna pop out.
Say,
Yes,
She's
you
like,
will.
is she gonna believe it too?
Alexa. See?
If it's the answer to a question, I'll say whatever you like.
Well, I don't have a question right now. Alexa, I'm here with a. Are you two? Is she two? Is she
Sorry,
two?
I'm not sure.
Alexa, I'm here with a 2-year-old. How can I make her laugh?
Exquisite what?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Oh man, Alexa can't help us right now.
Tell her to sing you a song.
Alexa, sing me a Christmas song.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, among the trees most lovely. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree,
It's really blurry.
the trees most
She's singing. You see, she's singing. She's singing.
Yes.
Why you pulling your hair? Stop it.
Hey man, we videotaping for YouTube. You messing it up.
Yeah, Alexa. She just sung us a song.
Say, hey, Alexa. Whatever.
Mama?
Well, I can't sit right here because I'm in the way. People gotta come up and down. So let me come back up. Yeah, she there. Oops, excuse me. I'm going back upstairs. You coming? You coming? Or you still playing with Alexa? Yeah, go ahead and play with her. Say, yeah, yeah.
Come on. You coming? Where you staying? I'm just grabbing my phone.
You